Good Monday, everyone, and welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is the video forecast discussion for this Monday, and it's the 8th already of June 2015. Looking around the forecast region this morning, we have temperatures generally running in the upper 50s to low 60s or mid 60s now through central and southern New Jersey. And also under cloudy skies, most of the clouds about mid-level right now. We do have some light rain showers working their way through northwestern New Jersey right now too. If we can pull this up, some of these light rain showers have produced just a couple of hundredths of an inch of rain, but there is some moderate rain here over the border here into northwestern Sussex County in northern New Jersey this morning. Visible paths of the satellite imagery this morning shows a lot more cloud cover with some of the light rain moving in as the atmosphere is initially bursting with warm air advection in the mid and upper levels, mostly the mid levels here, with the mid-level deck of cumulus clouds and some rain showers underneath those. Across the region was a whole lot of clouds and a lot of tufts to the thunderstorms here out to the west over Ohio and also over the Great Lakes region south of Indiana and Illinois. Last night and yesterday they produced a lot of wind damage, hail damage, tornadic damage as well, and thunderstorms across this region. And this line of showers and thunderstorms in this cloud deck will be approaching our region with the instability moving into the region during this afternoon. Central and southern New Jersey this morning out and towards Pennsylvania, southwestern Pennsylvania, and the Delmarva is clear this morning. On the water vapor channel, lots of burst of rising motion to the air in the water vapor channel. Things a little bit more stable here in New Jersey, New York City, Philadelphia metropolitan area at the moment, but that's probably going to change as the sky cover begins to clear out a little bit and then the atmosphere begins to become more unstable. A couple of watch boxes. This is the morning after the night of severe weather here in the plains with flood advisories and a whole bunch of things. We'll show you that in just a moment. Here's our burst of initial warm air advective showers moving through northwestern New Jersey into the Hudson River Valley area this morning. And the main story for today will be the building of showers and thunderstorms to our west and then propagating slowly over the forecast region during tonight and tomorrow morning. Storm Prediction Center has placed our area in a marginal risk of showers and thunderstorms from late this afternoon through tomorrow morning, and that becomes a slighter chance across northwestern New Jersey. We moved into the time that's valid during the day on Tuesday and Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, a marginal chance of showers and thunderstorms and general thunderstorms out from southwestern Pennsylvania out towards central Pennsylvania. Watches, warnings, and advisories. We have small craft conditions on the New Jersey coastal waters and the Delaware waters for south winds at 15 to 20 knots, gust up to 30 knots, and seas 3 to 6 feet. And this is in effect until from 10 this morning until 6 p.m. on Tuesday. For the South Shore and East ends of Long Island, small craft advisories again in effect until 6 p.m. Tuesday evening. Winds and seas south at 15 to 25 knots, gust up to 30 knots, seas 4 to 7 feet. Morning surface chart from weatheroanoak.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows the warm front now moving into our northern reaches here. Our first initial burst of warm air advection causing some showers and rain to move through eastern Pennsylvania, the Pocono region, into northwestern New Jersey this morning. That's going to scoot out. Skies, you notice on the surface chart here, begin to clear out. This means instability is going to be winning the game out during this afternoon ahead of spokes of energy moving in ahead of this cold front now, and that means that showers and thunderstorms will erupt across the region, mainly to our west, but some of these are going to get into the forecast terminals by late tonight. Surf zone forecast for the New Jersey and Delaware beaches for today. Partly sunny skies, temperatures in the mid-70s, southerly winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour. The surf will be 3 to 4 feet. The swell is out of the east at around 2 feet, dominant period every 7 seconds. Surf temperature in the lower 60s. The UVI index today will be 9. That's very high once the clouds burn off, and well, you're going to need sunscreen. Rip current risk is moderate. A moderate risk of rip currents means that wind and wave action supports stronger and more frequent rip currents. Always have a flotation device with you in the water. Swim only in lifeguarded areas. There is no threat of lightning throughout today, but that will increase during later tonight and tomorrow. The next high tide at, Belmar. On the aviational weather deck today, we basically have VFR conditions, a little bit of well, a little bit of MVFR in northwestern New Jersey and the Poconos this morning with a little bit of light rain moving through the region. The rest of the area is already beginning to warm up through the 60s with dew points increasing in the upper 50s too. VFR overall, ceilings at around 5,000 feet. They'll scatter out through the afternoon hours, south to southwest winds increasing through the day, gust up to 25 knots, especially from midday on. Some showers at Allentown and Reading early this morning, and then some showers and thunderstorms expected to organize into lines to the west during the course of the day. Much of this is expected to stay to our west. The greatest chance and the highest chance of confidence would be around Reading and Allentown, and it is here where we carry a tempo group of thunder late this afternoon. For tonight, basically VFR overall, however, MVFR and IFR with any showers and thunderstorms that move through from west to east. An organized line from west to east may tend to weaken as it arrives into the region during the evening hours. Tuesday and Tuesday evening, MVFR conditions in fog and clouds early as well as during scattered showers and thunderstorms, VFR at other times. Tuesday night through Thursday, mainly VFR conditions expected. Isolated thunderstorms will lower conditions north on Thursday. On Friday, mainly VFR conditions expected. MVFR, IFR conditions possible in showers and thunderstorms. The highest chances will be to the north. It's going to be a hot, muggy week ahead. Right now at Newark Airport, it's above normal for this time in the morning. 66 degrees, dew point 55, humidity 68%, visibility is 10, clouds at about 4,700, and we're going to be watching for the gusty southwesterly winds and any shower and thunderstorm activity that may approach from the west late tonight, early tomorrow morning, but VFR primarily in place. Philadelphia, same story, 68 degrees, that's warm at this time in the morning, dew point 57, humidity 68%, overcast conditions, and we'll be watching for the shower and thunderstorm in the vicinity during late this afternoon and tonight. Your pollen forecast for the region for today, it's on the low side for trees, moderate tomorrow, high on Wednesday and Thursday. For grasses, it's very high today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. And of course, it's early in the season yet, so we don't really have any weeds that are growing just yet. Ultraviolet radiational index for your skin, it's going to be very high today, high tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday in this air mass that's going to be taking place. So you're going to really need sunscreen out there. Your skin can burn without protection at all, starting at 15 minutes. Latest HRR model, high rapid refresh model from Penn State Seawall site shows the burst of showers moving into the Hudson River Valley, northwestern New Jersey, the Poconos region this morning, and then skies break for partial sunshine, and that means instability begins to increase across the area. Notice the line of showers and thunderstorms that develop across central and eastern Pennsylvania. They begin to break up and weaken as they move into a marine air mass in place with an onshore flow, differential heating. Then there's another vort max and instability well ahead of this. This will be a prefrontal line, and this prefrontal line of heavy rain and downpours and showers and thunderstorms with lightning and hail possible and strong wind gust will be approaching the western terminals during late tonight, early tomorrow morning. It's going to be one of those forecasts over the next 24 to 36 hours where a lot of everything is going to have to done in near real-time fashion as showers and thunderstorms in this very tropical and stable air mass will be developing and moving into certain regions and no precipitation in other regions, and that means that the places that do receive the rain will have the rain come down very hard with lightning and hail and strong wind damage as well, mainly heavy rain and lightning in the thunderstorms, and this is going to mean immediate broadcast of flash flood watches and warnings, and also severe thunderstorm warnings across the region. As we look at the latest NAM model guidance here, this is the forecasted simulated radar reflectivity. We'll find bands of some of these showers and thunderstorms and lines that weaken across the region. This will be in effect through the next 24 to 36 hours. Most of the region will stay rain-free, but the areas that do, like northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, the lower Hudson Valley, Connecticut, even in New York City, not out of the question to see isolated showers and thunderstorms, and they will be strong. Some of these showers and thunderstorms will produce very heavy rainfall, and in fact, over the next 24 to 36 hours, some areas that receive the heaviest rain could receive over an inch of rain, while other areas receive a quarter to a half of an inch of rain, and some areas receiving very little, if any, rain. This is the kind of tropical air mass that's in place, so we're going to be paying close attention to this. Any of these showers and thunderstorms are capable, once again, of producing very heavy rainfall, hail, and lightning across them, and we'll be dealing with this as the cold front makes its way begrudgingly across the region by Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning, with strong showers and thunderstorms moving across the entire forecast region before exiting during the day on Wednesday morning. Max temperatures for this afternoon generally in the upper 70s and lower 80s, where you see the yellows here. Of course, it will be a little cooler right along the immediate coast, and that will be because of the strengthening low-level jet and the southwesterly winds. By the time we get to tomorrow evening, temperatures will be approaching the mid to the upper 80s over the interior sections, cooler right along the immediate coast and the south shore and east ends of Long Island as a result of the southwesterly winds. And by the time we get to Wednesday, that's where temperatures begin to start warming up again. We have temperatures in the mid to the upper 80s, approaching 86 at Philadelphia. Temperatures will be cooler right along the immediate coast and the south shore and east ends of Long Island. By the time we get to Thursday afternoon, we're going to find temperatures well into the upper 80s, into the lower 90s right here around Philadelphia. Forecasted, everybody's going to be getting into a hazy, hot, and humid air mass. The only relief will be with the differential heating of the day during this area and the cooler marine layer right along the immediate coast, the south shore and east ends of Long Island and the Barrier Strand Islands. And by the time we get to Friday, temperatures again very warm, mid to the upper 80s inland, around 90, 91, 92 degrees across Pennsylvania, around Philadelphia. Again, sea breezes will limit the temperatures right along the immediate coast, the south shore and east ends of Long Island. The hazy, hot, and humid weather really continues with the ridge access building over the forecast region into the weekend, with temperatures in the New York City metropolitan area in the mid to the upper 80s. And then again, once again, very hot, humid, sticky conditions, cooling right along the immediate coast and the south shore and east ends of Long Island. So we'll be covering this 3H Club weather across the forecast region in live fashion on our blog and on both pages, GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com under live coverage. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Be safe out there. We'll see you bright and early on Tuesday morning.